Good evening, all of you. Welcome to new video. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. What is she doing? He is dancing. What is she doing? She is cooking food. What are they doing? They are playing football. What cat doing? The cat's drinking milk. What are people doing? They are going to ground. What are they going? They going to bazaar. What are we doing? We making food. What he is doing? He is studying book. Where he is living? He is living hotel. What he is saying? He is saying something. What are you seeing? I am seeing bird. What he is eating? He is eating breakfast. What is this? This is book. What are you cooking? I am cooking biryani. What she's washing? She's washing clothes. What are students doing? They are playing volleyball. Thank you for watching my video. For more, like and subscribe.